How to add highlight covers on Instagram. If you want to create a custom highlight cover, you can use a design app like Canva or StoryArt. Open the app, choose a template, and design your cover with colors, icons, or text. Once your cover is ready, save it to your phone and follow the steps to upload it as your highlight cover on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right. Look for your highlight section just below your bio. Tap and hold on the highlight you want to edit. In the menu that appears, tap Edit Highlight. Now tap Edit Cover. You will see all the images currently in the highlight. If you want to use one of these, you can select it and adjust its position. If you want to add a custom cover, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom. This will open your phone's photos. Select the cover image you want to use. Adjust its position if needed, then tap Done. That's how to add highlight covers on Instagram.